They told me silence was safer, but silence don't save. So I gave it rhythm, gave it rage. Now they gotta listen. I grew in the hush where the street lights hum, where boys don't cry, they just bite their tongue. Where you okay ain't a question, it's cold. For you still breathing cool, carry the load. Mama worked double dreams in a shoebox, prayed we don't become chalk on the school blocks. Daddy left notes but never left love, so I wrote my name in paint and rose above. Yeah, I'm finally here to tell my story. Voice like thunder in a field of morning. Gray skies, but I rose from the storm. A child of the shade with the light reborn. No more hiding, no more fear. They gon' hear my name loud and clear. Heavy and gray, I'm finally heard. I turn my silence into words. I've seen dreams sold on layaway plans. Watch boys become hashtag with unraised hands. They teach us to pray, but not to process the pain. So I spit verses in the booth like it's breaking my chains. I ain't your woke or your viral trend. I'm that late night ride with a bleeding pen, a voice for the crack.